Who would not be excited by seeing a platform where you can build AI agents just like you're building a puzzle? So I have very recently discovered this new platform where you can build AI agents by just connecting different nodes together without using any code, and it is just so simple and very beginners friendly. So I thought of why not making a video on it and sharing it with you guys so that you can also explore it and make new and fun AI agents on it. So hello everybody, my name is Yashika Jain. I'm the founder of Automates AI. At Automates AI, we build automated systems for businesses that use the power of AI. And on this YouTube channel, I share my learnings, the things that I've figured out throughout this journey, and much more. So if you're interested, then consider subscribing. And the platform that I'm going to show you today is a place where you can build these AI agents easily, and not only that, you can also connect it to the front end using their API that is very, very simple. So you can have the backend on the app, and then you can connect it to the website, to a web app, or like a phone app using these APIs. So if you're ready, let's explore the platform together. So this is the platform that I was talking about. The platform's name is Scade, and their domain says Scade.pro. So you can go over to their website and create a free account with them, and they will give you 50 credits or something like that, and their pricing makes a lot of sense. So I think it is a very good option. So now let's get into it. So if you click on New Flow, you will see that they have a ton of pre-made templates or AI agents that I think is very cool for someone who is just beginning with this platform. They can go ahead and see how certain things are set up. So if you see, they have like different categories. So these are the top templates. Let's go to top. Yeah, so I'll show you the one that will make the most sense to you. Yeah, for example, this one, YouTube helper. So you give it the YouTube video or the URL, and it basically generates optimized title and description and keywords and all of it for your YouTube video. So this is an example of an AI agent that merges AI automation and AI chatbots, right? Then this is an AI marketing team. So it will create product descriptions and, marketing material for you, for example, copy, right? And then if we come over to images, then you can see they have a lot of stuff with images as well. For example, you give it the avatar and you give it the selfie of your own self, and it will give you the avatar. Or if you want to convert a sketch to an image, then you can do that. If you want to convert a photo into a product, then it can do that. And I think this is really amazing. So you can give it the image of, let's say, a shampoo bottle, right? And it will do all of the background thing, all of the editing, and give you a ready product picture to post, right? And then let's see video. So it can redub your video. I think that is really nice because it will save you cost as compared to the other platforms. Then we also have video face swap. Now this is something that is a little controversial, but they have this particular thing as well. Now the reason why I'm showing you is that so that you can get to know the possibilities of creating AI agents with this platform. So for example, we have something related to audio here. Then let's go to tools. Then you will see a prompt generator. Okay, then you will see, let's see something else, proposal generator. So that's nice, and I'm overall very impressed with them. And if you want to start from scratch, you can click on start with blank. So the one that I liked the most was this virtual clothing try on from your photo. So I will go ahead with this template. So basically you give it a photo of the product, and then the user can upload their own photo, and then they can see how that particular piece of cloth would look on them, right? And I think this has a great potential in the e-commerce market, wherein they could have this feature on their website saying the virtual clothing try on, and basically they take your image and then they show how you would look in different attires or outfits. So they have also mentioned notes in case you're too new to it, so that you get to understand how things are working. So this is the starting node, wherein you first give it the garment's image, that is the product, right? And then you give it the description, and then you give it the user's image. Then it will take all of it. It will take it to this particular node that is named IDM-VTON. I'm not really sure what that means in full form, but what it would do is it would take in your garment image, it would take in your human image, it would also create a few mask images, and then send it to the next one that is called the code former. I think they need to name it a little better, but yeah. So now they've also mentioned that, why do we have this step? So they say that sometimes the generative models mess with the faces, and that is why we have this code formatter or code former that would essentially fix the face dysmorphation, right? That's what they call it, I guess. Yeah. And then once that is done, it will give you the final results right here. And then what you can do is you can connect it using API to literally any app or any web app or even the website. So basically, whenever the person comes with the e-commerce app or their website, it calls the API to this particular AI agent. It passes in the images, and you get the output, and then you show it to the user on the front end. So this is a great way of designing the backend when the person doing it doesn't know how to code, because it is literally drag and drop and connect the nodes, and that's it. So if you want to see the different ranges of nodes that they have, then you can click on that plus icon, and then you will come here, and then if you scroll, you will see that they have a lot of nodes. So for example, obviously the ChatGPT node, everybody would have that. Then we have the DALL-E node, then Google Gemini, then Claude, Perplexity, and not only that, they also have like image nodes, for example image synthesis or like background removal. Then they have 11 Labs. Then they also have translation, they have Whisper, they have all sorts of audio, video, image nodes. They also have auto caption. So you could create an AI agent that basically takes in the YouTube video. It takes the long form video and then creates short form content from it, and then also uses all of these different ones to edit it. For example, adding the captions to the video, and then it also uses AI to give the description, the keywords, and all of that, just like we saw in the template. They also have image resizing. So I very often need this particular capability in my automation, where I would like to resize an image, but that is not something that all of these AI agent builders or automation platforms give, and then I need to write some Python code to do all of it, but they have it here directly. That is a really good thing. So you can also make cuts to a video by editing its transcript. You can run Python code directly here. Then some more, you can do face swap, you can do text to speech, and I personally really like it. And you can also connect it to Appify or any other API, right? So I personally really like it, because the stuff that I used to code for, like I used to code for in Python language and then connect it to my automations, is now directly available right here. So I think there is a great potential of what one could build with this platform. And as I said, there is a lot of potential of building solutions that can help businesses. For example, this particular virtual AI clothing try-on. This is also very beneficial to the e-commerce industry. Then I gave you the example of long form to short form using automation. So that is very useful to the people who do podcasting, right? And similarly, you can build a lot of stuff using these different modules basically. So that is that. Now let's go ahead and test this template to see how well it performs. So if you see, then the garment is going to be, one second, the garment is going to be this hoodie. I'm not able to zoom in right now, but yeah, it's a hoodie, and then there's this man. Okay, so if I start the flow, then it should go right here. Yeah, so it's gonna take time to do that. So till that time, I can tell you how you can connect this backend to the different front ends. So let's say you had a bubble app, or you have a website, or let's say an app, right? So how can you connect it there? So all you need to do is you need to go over to export, and then you will see API. Okay, so then you will see all the API details. You can get your own API keys and then send API calls to this particular AI agent that you have built out. For example, in this AI agent, you will have to send the product image, you will have to send the product description and the user photo, and that's it. Then it is going to respond with the virtual try-on image. So I guess we will see it in some time. Okay, so here we have the results. Let's see. So I'll click on preview, and this is the image. Okay, so yeah, the face looks pretty nice as compared to the other AI models that I've seen, and the clothing fits very well as well. So let's see if I can zoom in. Yeah, I can. So yeah, if you can see the hand, the sleeves, the cuts, and everything seems really nice. And I don't think why there's a reason why an e-commerce store would not have something like this on their website. Now obviously you can't just plug in this template and sell it for $5,000, but you can build over it. You can fix the little nuances that it has, and then you can build a robust backend and then sell it to e-commerce systems. Just don't download the template and sell it like that. Yeah, so yeah, I hope this gives you an understanding of what all one can build with this platform. Now, I am not affiliated by them in any manner. I have no affiliate link or anything. They have not reached out to me. It's just that I like the platform and the way I can create AI agents just like a puzzle. So that's the reason why I made a video on it, so that the other people also get to know it. And that's the only thing. I am not affiliated to them. So yeah, I'm really excited on what I can create with this and what you guys can create with this platform. So right now I'm just fiddling over and checking out the templates, the different nodes. I'm seeing what it's good at, what it's bad at, and then I have a vision to create like a robust AI agent backend over here, and then connect it to another bubble front end app, and then see how it goes. So yeah, that's it for the video. I hope you like this new platform, and right now they're in beta, so I guess it's not ready for production yet, but it might be in a few months. So we can start learning the platform and start building cool AI agents here. Okay, so if you have any great ideas about which AI agents you can build using this particular AI agent builder, then don't forget to drop it in the comments below, and I would love to go through them. And if you have any questions, then drop them as well. And I will see you in the next video. Also, if you have any other, concerns or any other automations that you would like to see, if you want me to explore any platform for you, or if you want to see any AI agent build out, any AI automation, chatbot build out, then just let me know in the comments below, and I would be more than happy to create a video on that. Also, if you're looking for AI solutions for your business, or you're looking for an AI development agency, then don't forget to check out the description. I will also have the link to this particular software or platform in my description below. Obviously not affiliated, but I'll just have the link to it so that you can go ahead and explore it. So happy AI agent building. I hope you really like this puzzle AI agent builder. So again, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.